for a break. And there go the workers. So the wind is not blowing very hard right now, but I'm just going to throw it up. I got my mix on. Alright, let's go flying! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Went too close to the dog park. Ooh, she's flying fast. I'll slow her down. My trim is definitely off. She's flying! Ooh, she's fun to see. Yeah, my little mix, man, about 11% up, elevator to throttle mix for the toss. Did the trick. I didn't get hit, but luckily didn't get hit by a gust.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
I don't know if I can hold my breath for 3 more minutes. I'm just kidding. It's gusting pretty good. No gyro. Could use a gyro, I think. Jeff said he could use a gyro. Whew. Throwing some up on it. Whoa. Well, I pushed up, so that's down, so I just added more down. I always push the wrong way on the trim tabs. I can never remember. It's just like the stick. I keep thinking it's like, oh well. I got a feel for about what it needs. I'm not gonna risk it again in this gust. All right, let's give a maiden flight. Whew, nervous? You betcha. I need less throws too. I'm not. Yeah, but well, I know whatever I have too much on normal, and I know I have more on stunts, so I need to lessen my throws.
Timer stop.
So we can get a landing in. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Woo! Holy cow! I was nervous in this gusty winds, man. It's gusting a little over 10. That went well though. Holy cow! Holy moly! That went well. Put it about right there.
Motor on.
Oops.
Motor on.
Whew! That went well. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so happy with that because the winds are blowing there. I didn't really toss it into the wind, but it wasn't really blowing, so. Uh-oh, shoot, she's got something. She's chewing something up. Looks like she pulled something out of the car. Well, there you go, man. There's your XFly 40mm twin. F22 in the sun, Jeff in the sun, Lucy chewing something up out of the car, Tuco in the sun, acting innocent. Oh well. Thanks for subscribing and thanks for becoming part of Team Let's Go Flying.